Kingman's gotta be gone by now.
Are you sure this guy's a millionaire?
Yeah, sure. The kind that don't waste money on house repairs. Come on.
I don't like this, Stu. What if somebody's home?
So we knock first.
Ah! Gross.
Yeah, cool.
There isn't enough in here to trade in on a tricycle, Stu.
You don't know that yet. Come on. I've read about crazy old guys like Kingman. They live like they're poor, but when they die, someone finds millions of dollars stashed away in some hiding place.
I can imagine what else is stashed around here.
You and your imagination.
Ah! Stu! Stu! Yeah!
Get off, dork!
The guy in the painting, Stu! It moved like he was trying to kill me.
I'm gonna kill you if you don't chill out, Dwight. You're afraid of your own shadow. And every time you get freaked out about something, you turn into a woodpecker.
I can't help it.
What is your problem?
This place is haunted, Stu. Let's forget the bike and get